Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can collect stones in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I need to collect 22 stones to complete my quest. And I'm going to show you guys how you can collect the stones in Heartopia game. Okay, you just need to follow the guide to find the stone. Okay, it's right here. And after you find the stone, you need to use your pickaxe. You can go to this menu and equip the pickaxe, and then you need to do the mining. You need to mine the stone. Okay, now let's find another stone. I'm going to follow this guide, the guidance I mean. Okay, and then click on the pickaxe to mine the stone. Okay. Ooh. Okay guys, and that's how you can collect the stones in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.